USB Type A, pogo pin, magnetic, and of course we have smartwatch with a strap attached. So here are the contents, the package contents of the Huafit Watch S10. Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Huafit Watch S10, and on this video we are going to explore its design, the specs, and UI. So we'll check the smartwatch. We will have the unboxing review of the Huafit Watch S10. So if you are planning to get the Watch S10, watch this video first so you can see if this smartwatch is for you or not. And on our second video, we are going to explore the menus and features. Again, if you have any questions regarding the Watch S10, drop a comment below. And of course, if you find this video useful, support our channel. Like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the Huafit Watch S10. So we have here the packaging. Let's go first with the packaging. It is similar also to the previous Huafit Watch smartwatch. Okay, so they did not change their design concept when it comes to packaging. As you can see here, we do have the Huafit Watch S8, so the same style. We have the Huafit Watch Metro 2, and as you can see here on the packaging, we do have some specifications as well as the features available in the smartwatch. We also have the specs here, IP68 waterproof rated. On the side, we have the features, and we have the link for the we have the QR code for the website. I think this is a website, and they have a link there so you can download the support app for your smartwatch. Okay, so simple packaging, compact, and let's check out the contents of the smartwatch. So very simple packaging for our Huafit Watch S10. This is the latest smartwatch from Huafit. If we have time, we will compare it with our Watch S8 and S6. Some of the plastic here. And for the contents available for our Huafit Watch S10 are, of course, we have here the user manual, the charging cable, USB Type A, pogo pin, magnetic, and of course we have the smartwatch with a strap attached. So here are the contents, the package contents of the Huafit Watch S10. Next, let's explore the design of the smartwatch. So let's put this aside. So we have here a sporty smartwatch with a plastic or PC body frame, curved rounded corner, curved body frame here on the side. It looks like an Apple Watch without the physical button here, push button. Flexible silicone strap. I like the color here. What color did we pick? We have the blue color. So flexible silicone strap with a stainless steel buckle. They did not put any branding here. Usually for the Aulon smartwatches, they do have the Aulon branding here on the metal or the buckle. Sometimes it's here on the strap. This one, we don't have any branding. Huafit, we have the quick release pin, and I don't know if this is a rotary button or not. We'll check it out later. Again, for the design, simple, minimally sporty smartwatch here from Huafit, the Huafit Watch S10. Okay, I think it's okay. If we're going to compare it with the Infinix, it is a bit small. We have here the Infinix X Watch H4, and as you can see, small body frame for our S10. Very different from the S8 that we have. Okay. Again, we do have a single button here. I don't know if this is rotary, but I'm pretty sure this is for home and power button. Next, let's check out the dimension. Again, PC material for its body frame. For the dimension, we have 39.0 for the width. For the length, we have 45.7. Again, 45.5, not 7. 45.5. And for the thickness here, it is 9.5. So very slim smartwatch with a sporty design. Again, let's have a closer look at the design. So what do you think of the design of the S10? Sporty, simple, minimalist style. With it feels like an Apple Watch without a push button here on the side. Next, let's have the weight here after the dimension. I'm pretty sure it is just light. 34.58 with the strap attached. Imagine if we remove the strap here. I think it is just around 25. We just have 20.0 grams. Very lightweight, one of the lightest smartwatch that we have here in smartwatch specifications. So very comfortable to use, I'm pretty sure, with its lightweight body frame. And I think this smartwatch will certainly look good for those who have a smaller wrist. Next, let's have the specifications. So we have here some details on the specs. The back, we have 5.3 for the Bluetooth here, IP68 waterproof rated. For the screen display, we do have 1.83 IPS LCD. On the specs page, we have 240 by 284 pixel resolution. Check out the links. And for the battery, we have 230 mAh battery. We don't have it here, but we do have in the specs page the battery capacity. So 230 mAh. Again, going to list the specs. Going to turn on this first so we can check the display. Okay, we still have power. Huafit Watch S10. Okay, for the specifications, I'm going to put it here. 1.83-inch IPS LCD, 240 by 284 pixel resolution, Bluetooth 5.3, 230 mAh battery with 7 days of battery life, compatible with Android and iOS. Let's check. I want to know the name of the support app. Hopefully we do have the details here. I will check it later. Okay, so that's it for the specs. For the UI, we have the settings here on the top and other options, including the menu options here. I think this is a game. On the bottom part, we have notifications, we have the split screen, and we have the widgets. To access the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, so that's the menu. It's not a game. Let's see. Thought it's a game. Okay, so that's it for our Huafit Watch S10 Smartwatch unboxing review of its design, specs, and UI. If you have any questions, drop a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.